Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some DIY furniture flips and creations. So here we have someone making a sofa table. Wow, I love the gold hardware accent that they did with that. That is so pretty, mixed with the natural wood color. And then we have a bar cart makeover. So this is a really creative way to just put like your own personal touch on your bar cart and make it more your personal style. And buying one from IKEA is genius simply because bar carts can actually be pretty pricey. This came out really cute. Wow, you would never know that that was just from IKEA. So next up we have another IKEA furniture flip. So it looks like she's creating some edges around the drawers. She painted it. Very nice. Then we have a table here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is going to look amazing. I already know. Wow. Oh, I wish we would have got a longer look at that one. It was so cool. So we have someone here with some cabinets. Oh, they created a nice little like TV console. Very cool. I love that rug too. That's really pretty. Really like the hardware that they added with the legs and the handles. Want to elevate your living room? Simply add a rug. Now here are some girls adding some type of texture. I have never seen this before, but this just makes the couch look so cozy. Look at this. That would be like really relaxing to sit on. So then we have the infamous tile table. I think my favorite way that I've seen this trend being done is in pastels. I just think it looks so pretty in pastel colors. Wow, she definitely upgraded that. That is such a pretty bench that she made. So this person is adding some strip lights. Wow. I feel like this would make a really cool like shoe rack or whatever. Okay, so we have someone with a ladder here. And they're turning this into a headboard? Wow, that is insane. Whoa. Love the wood mixed with the blue. Once again, another project that you would never know came from IKEA. That is just crazy. So if you guys want to see more DIY reactions and ideas, be sure to check out this video next.